14-foot long roof screw. A roof screw. That's great. Oh, we had the mow. We had the mow. Choo-choo-choo, choo-choo. We had the mow. But I'll pop the center console. Just look at this. Absolutely ridiculous. Like, yeah, that's not cool at all. But anyways, we'll pull the friggin' boot off and get the shifter out of there, and then we can pour the fluid on the top of the neck. That's cool. Oh yeah. Didn't even notice that before. They've done the fucking heater core in this thing and just hacked the box up. Oh man, to take these dashes out, there's 3 bolts there, there's like 5 across the top, 3 bolts there, there's 1 there, and there's 2 in the bottom of the steering column, and this entire, and some plugs, and this entire dash will come out one piece, easy. And then, there's like 11 bolts holding that box in. Oh my goodness, why would you? It's dormant, that's what the problem is. And sell these parts and say, oh, you just hacked the fucking box apart. Awesome. Well, whatever. Fuck. It's a work truck. This is work truck, boys. The bootay looks a little rough. Alright, well, we got that exposed anyway. We'll get the fluid out of it and different things. Not too bad in the dome right now. I mean, I can feel it for sure, but it's not like just throbbing terrible. People keep wanting to buy parts off this. I put a add up parts. And there's all these dicks wanting parts off that Jimmy, but I don't know. It'll make it inoperable. One guy wants the fuel tank and stuff, and well, we could cobble up another fuel tank into it, but we could also jump it and then sell the fuel tank after. What happened? Hopefully you can see. Oh, we're filled right up. Oh, the thing is friggin' mint. We got cherry fluid in here, boys. Just keep noticing more and more stuff. There's like fluid situation around the transfer case. If you look, they've siliconed this transfer case to the transmission, but there's a shaft seal in there, so you don't now. That's just you know what I mean. But oh man, just have to keep an eye on her. Fluid looks good as frig though. Should have just left it, but I want to put that cooler on there and different things. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Just chunks in there. Son of a... Look at all the stuff in there. Pug one, look at that. Jimmy's totally pooched. Jimmy pooched. Done. Oh, really? Think they put enough poop on there? Yeah. You just need a little bit of poop on there. Just a little bit of poop in there. That's what we're using. Manual synchromesh transmission fluid. All those chunks in there make me kind of nervous. But I guess we'll drive her till she pops. A couple leaks too. Looks like the main seal of the engine might be leaking. And the rear of the transmission. How you doing?
Good.
What's up?
A little behind me.
Oh, he's brain damaged?
No, he's A little slow driving.
I apologize.
But he is brain damaged, so it's great. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man.
Following me for a while now.
Yes.
Shit's hilarious.
That's all you need. You don't need to friggin' put a 1/4 feet on that. Fuck. Yeah. Just hit my head right in the same spot. Not too bad. Gotta poop a little bit, but I'll be all right.
Yeah, I know where the scrapyard is.
Fucking, you work with Kyle, Kyle and Josh.
I work by myself. Like, I own the. Huh? That's fine. What do you mean? You own it?
Still just crunches going into reverse. That's what I need right there. A little digger for digging different things. Got one this morning with no wheels on it and ended up cracking my head open with the jack and then fell on me.
Yeah, that's never good.
Just split my head right open. No.
Yeah, he picked up one this morning without wheels.
Now I gotta have a friggin' paper towel in my hat so I don't. Yeah, like fucking caved it right in. What'd you find out?
Well, 2 questions. One, my buddy wants to know how much you'd sell that Mini for.
$1,200.
Because everything's fucking closed right now, I decided to say it and let's use a cutting disc. Or, sorry, not a cutting disc. A diamond disc for tiles.
Oh yeah.
So it actually worked. It cut out a certain section of it, but then the diamond disc decided to blow up and scared the shit out of me. And damn near.
So what, you need blades?
Yeah, I was gonna see if you had a spare blade and possibly a grinding disc. I just need I'm cutting out the rust on it, and then I'm gonna pick it up, see if I can find a cheap MIG welder. I'm gonna weld new quarters onto it. I can't think of what they're called. The same outlets that dryers go into. Those ones.
Yeah, 220 volt.
Yeah. Yeah, I just need one that goes into the normal wall outlet.
The small one I got, no, it's right over there. Like I got the big one or whatever, 220, and this is the small one. But if you get one with gas, because you can always, you can run wire in it without gas. But if you can get one with no gas, and then you want to run gas, you can't run gas. You got to get a different welder, right? So.